Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to hide or unhide tokens in Rainbow Wallet. Rainbow Wallet is a simple and secure crypto wallet that helps you manage your tokens and NFTs in one place. Sometimes your wallet can get cluttered with tokens you do not want or use or spam tokens from airdrops, and in this video I'll show you how to hide or unhide token in Rainbow Wallet so your wallet looks neat and organized. So to hide tokens, first you need to open to the Rainbow Wallet on your app. On the home screen, you will find a lot of tokens you want to hide. Simply you need to open to its detailed page and tap on the hid token. That's it, the token is now hidden from your main wallet list, but you will still own it on chain, and this is perfect for spam tokens or ones you rarely use. You can simply scroll all the way to the bottom until you find the token list. You can tap hidden tokens front, and over there you can find the all token that you have hidden, and you can simply select the restore and tap on hide, and the token will reappear in your main wallet view immediately. And if it does not show, you can simply pull down to refresh the wallet section. Regularly hiding unused tokens keep your wallet clean and easy to navigate. And that is it. That's how you can hide or unhide tokens in Rainbow Wallet within few steps. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.